equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Thermomix TM31 can experience issues with its blade and plate, often due to wear and tear or improper use. If left unaddressed, this can lead to inefficient blending and cooking, ultimately affecting your culinary results. To repair this, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement blade and plate, and a soft cloth to clean the components. Begin by safely opening the device, ensuring you disconnect it from the power source. Carefully remove the screws located at the base of the TM31, taking note of their types as you go. Once opened, locate the failing blade assembly, which is typically situated at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the assembly, applying minimal force to avoid damaging surrounding components. Remove the old blade by unscrewing it from its mount, and replace it with the new one, ensuring it is securely fastened. Reattach any cables and carefully reassemble the device, making sure all screws are tightened properly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the blade and plate after each use and avoid overloading the device beyond its capacity. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.